On to ACT.org's fourth set of math questions, number 3. Use the following information to answer questions 3 through 5. So they gave you this diagram at the beginning of the first of questions 3 through 5. Taher has decided to create a triangular flower bed border. He uses 3 pieces of rectangular lumber with and this is key here, rectangular lumber with lengths 4, 5, and 6 as shown in the figure below. So points A, B, and C are located at the corners of the flower bed. So question number 3. Taher plans to cut the 3 pieces of lumber for the flower bed border from a single piece of lumber. Each cut takes 1/8 of an inch of wood off the length of the lumber. Among the following lengths in inches of pieces of lumber, which is the shortest piece that he can use to cut the pieces for the flower bed border? And so here you can see that this is in inches, and they've given you these values over here in feet, right? And so when we have this 1/8 of an inch that gets lost here, you can see that there's no fractional numbers over here. And so what that means is that if I have 1/8 of an inch and I take it off, let's say for here, this point, and this point, pretending that one of these are not endpoints, then I'm going to lose 1/8 of an inch times 3. But it doesn't really matter. You just got to round up to 1 because they're not giving you fractions here. So I will just add 1 to accommodate for the loss. But let's see how many inches we've got here. So I have 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5 is 15. I multiply that times 12 to get into inches rather than feet. And the answer here is 180. I add the 1 for the loss here, and the answer choice is D.